Okay, this is a brief video tutorial on how to correctly wire Centra or Honeywell mixing valves and how to correctly wire them for the right direction. So basically what you really want to do is look at the indicator here to see which way is open, and as you can see the red squares, whatever, indicate that this way is open. So what you want to do, and so you want to take a look at that first, and then the reason it is that way is because the mixing valve has connections here, here, and here. It is possible that the valve is flipped and that this window is actually the opposite direction. So what you got to do is check and see which way is open. Now what you got to do when you have the cover on, the indicator window here shows whether it's open or not by how wide the red band is in this pilot window. So in this case, the rotation this way will make this valve arm go that way, which is correct, and the window will have this red band getting thicker as it turns more towards the open. However, if in the case that this plate here is the opposite way and that red is on this side, what you need to do is take this plastic piece and reinsert it the other way. Now the moment that you have to do that is the moment that you have to realize that for the wiring, terminal 1 is common, terminal 2 is clockwise rotation, and the terminal 3 is counterclockwise rotation, which means that in the case of this particular valve, I've got the brown on the common, I've got the red with the open wire, meaning clockwise is opening the valve, and the blue wire, which is closed, is counterclockwise, which is closing the valve. So naturally, the moment that you need to flip this plastic indicator is your signal that if the valve is flipped around, you need to switch the red and the blue, so it is instead red, blue, brown, blue, and red. And so that's how you make sure that the wiring of the valve is orientated properly. If you use this methodology, that the moment that you change this is the moment that you switch clockwise and counterclockwise, you'll have the valve correctly wired every time.